everyone, I'm Dr. Rashi Agarwal, MD Psychiatry, and today we have a very good topic to talk about which we all face on a very daily basis. It is about social media addiction. And we have with us a special guest. She's Dr. Pritisha Saxena, and she's doing her DPM from College of Surgeons and Physicians in Mumbai. So let's talk to her and see what is her take on this social media addiction and why is it affecting a lot of us these days, and what can we do exactly to kind of manage it and sail through it. Wishing you all a very happy Holi also. If you have any questions regarding the same, drop them down below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Let's invite her over and then we are good to go. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, hi,
Hi, good evening. Happy
hi.
Holi.
I cannot see you. Just a second.
Okay.
Yes, there you are. Hi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi to you too, and all of those people who are listening to us and watching us today.
Thank you. Thank you. So, just introduce yourself a little bit for our audience and then we'll start with today's very interesting topic.
Okay, all right, all right. So I am Dr. Pratisha Saxena. I have completed my MBBS from Savangi, Wardha, and I'm currently doing my diploma in psychological medicine from Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, Nagpur. And I'm really crazy about mental health and talking about it, spreading awareness because we know kids. I mean, nobody knows about what is mental health basically. I mean, we as psychiatrists, we know what we are learning, what we are studying, and there's so much of things to be explored even now in the brain. So that really excites me.
I'm sorry, I think there's some connection issue. I can't hear you very.
You can't hear me? Is it clear now?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, that's fine. I think it's some problem at my end. So, I think we'll
All
start
right.
with
Yeah.
just a second. Just give me a second. Some construction going on in my neighborhood and nobody can listen to anything.
I can hear you pretty loud now.
Okay, so I think it's a very, very kind of a special and important topic these days when we talk about social media addiction because somewhere I think in the corona pandemic we started using more and more of all the social media, all the tech platforms. We are so much on Zoom for everything because then again, what else did we have to connect? और कैसे एक दूसरे से
Absolutely.
बात कर पाते? So this was the main media, but somehow has it shifted and taken the turn upon addiction side. So what is your take on that? That social media addiction is kind of a thing these days.
Absolutely, I think it is. Earlier, we were addicted. Basically, I think humans are addicted to some kind of a thing. Earlier, we were addicted to the newspapers, then we were addicted to the news channels, then we were addicted to sometimes books, I think, but that's not an addiction, I think. Then now the new fad is social media. I mean, everybody has good phones and smartphones and everything. Like 5 years back, it was really difficult to afford a smartphone, but now everyone has it. It's very easy to manage all these apps. Instagram ho gaya, TikTok was so famous. TikTok nahi hai abhi, but we have Reels now, and there are so many apps to explore, and it is interesting. You all the time you get a notification that's like ting, and there you go, you pick up your phone and that's like, oh, somebody liked my picture, somebody commented on my post. Okay, I also want to make a new like a reel on this trend because it's very funny or something. So yes, it's very addictive and we have a habit to get addicted. And I mean, abhi lockdown mein kaam kya tha logo ko? I mean, if when I'm talking to patients, they're like, I am constantly on my phone and laptop, and I'm like, ठीक है थोड़ा कम यूज करो. एंड देयर आंसर इज मेरा पूरा काम तो व्हाट्सएप और मेल पे हो रहा है आजकल. जूम कॉल पे दिन भर मेरा मीटिंग चल रहा होता है. सो हाउ कैन आई एक्चुअली कीप इट अवे? सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग कम्स अप इज की नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर दो. बट अगर फोन हाथ में है, नोटिफिकेशन भी बंद है, तो ऐप तो तुम खोल सकते हो. एंड इवन इफ पासवर्ड्स लगा दिए, कुछ भी लगा दिए, यू नो एवरीथिंग. सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस फोन नाउ. That's what I think about it.
You brought us like so many interesting things at once because whenever I think we hear the word addiction, our mind just goes off to drugs because that is something that has been highlighted for so many years, and everybody
Absolutely.
just wants to talk about addiction at so much. As per se, I want to say like everybody's want to talking about okay drugs, alcohol, and marijuana. So these things are so much talked about these days that whenever we hear this addiction thing, we are not very sure that okay, is social media also addictive? So it's kind of a very difficult thing for people to understand that yes, gambling is an addiction, social media is an addiction. There are a number of things you can be addicted to, but because the things are more highlighted and you just focus on them only.
Hmm.
So for people to understand very basically what is addiction and why do we get addicted to anything? So this is very we get these questions a lot when people ask us that am I addicted to Instagram, am I addicted to PUBG was very famous at one point of time and
Hmm.
still is that how do you say this is addiction and this is not addiction?
एकदम सरल भाषा में कोई भी चीज अगर आपको कुछ खराब परिणाम दे रही है, I mean anything bad happening from using anything and you know that but you're still doing it, that is addiction. I mean, I think if you know that you should be exercising, you have put on a lot of weight, and you're still lying on the bed, you are addicted to lying down on the bed. That's what I would say, because you know कि it has a bad impact on your health overall, be it your physical or mental health, and even after knowing that, you constantly you're pushed towards doing that thing again and again. सो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडिक्शन, क्योंकि वो कौन याद करेगा और कौन कौन सुनने वाला है वो डेफिनेशन को. बट सिंपली वट एवर इज बैड फॉर यू एंड यू नो दैट इट इज बैड एंड यू still doing it, that is addiction.
Yes, completely. Because
है ना?
we have this whole list of criteria when we want to talk about addiction to alcohol, opioids, and things like that. But we don't have per se currently a very strict definition or like set criteria for social media. Though I heard that these things are going to be included in textbooks soon because of the advice.
Yes, yes.
Or maybe in the next edition. But this particularly no guidelines that we can tick off these criteria and be like, okay, you
You
are
are
addicted
addicted.
now.
नहीं, we do get ना. You must be also getting children, especially who are parents are complaining about them कि ये दिन भर phone पे रहता है. They want to play games and or they are on Instagram also nowadays and they are posting or they are just scrolling through it. And this is a very common complaint in the OPDs nowadays कि ये नहीं मुझसे ही phone नहीं छूट रहा है आजकल, तो मैं बच्चे को क्या बोलूं.
That's true, and I think somewhere I have also been there because at one point of time, somehow seeing my screen time kind of was an eye opener that what am I really doing? What are you doing? I need to cut it down. And when you see your friends and family members kind of pointing it out that you're using it too much, I think you should be off your phone, and they get kind of irritated because you're not listening to them and you're always like. So this was, I think, me for a couple of days, and I tried to cut back a lot also for the same thing. And then you feel ki, if I am already so busy and still I get time to do all this, so what can I say to people who don't have physical work to go to? Like I am going physically
Absolutely.
to work, and still I am taking out time to do all this. So for people who are for these days working from home, so naturally they will be having more time to engage in these activities. So that's kind of a different scenario. Plus, I also get this question asked by a few people that how much screen time is sufficient, and that's very, I think, vague thing to ask because I'm like, whatever is not hampering your social personal life, I think that. So, what do you
Absolutely.
think
No,
about screen time?
there is no designated screen time yet. But I know for a fact that people didn't, like we have now screen time वाला app already installed in the phones. हर हफ्ते हर संडे को अभी दिखा देगा वो, मुझे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा कि you have spent this much hours on your screen this week. लोग 11 घंटे 15 घंटे 20 घंटे ऐसे हो जाता है लोगों का on the screen. I'm really sorry, I have 2 dogs and I just cannot make them, क्योंकि अभी शाम का time all the dogs are outside.
It's okay.
Um,
We all
yeah.
love dogs.
So yeah, I don't think there's an ideal time, but anything which is not hampering, like mental health के problems के बारे में भी अगर बात की जाए, like anxiety is a very common thing, a very thing that we see every day. But unless and until that anxiety is getting into your life, not helping you in any way, and you are just wasting your time, or not, you're not able to work because of your anxiety, you're not able to perform well at your workplace because of your anxiety. अगर वो level का है, मतलब if you're just, तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं on in your conversations, you are not मतलब submitting your projects on time, अपना काम बराबर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, and you're all the time Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and I don't know बाकी कौन से apps है, YouTube में भी. तो आई थिंक दैट, मतलब अपने सबके पर्सनलाइज टाइम होना चाहिए. आई थिंक वी ऑल शुड बी हैविंग दैट थिंग कि यू नो, ये इतना इतना टाइम, जैसे 2 घंटे आज मैं पूरा दिन में 2 घंटा 3 घंटा. ऑनेस्टली मैं बहुत ज्यादा देर रहती हूँ मेरे फोन के ऊपर, बट देर इज नो आइडियल टाइम. आई थिंक इट्स पर्सनलाइज्ड. आई थिंक कुछ टाइम में वो भी आ जाएगा कि इतने घंटे यू कैन बी ऑन द स्क्रीन. But laptops तो सभी के पास है, and all these apps are on the laptops as well, and we have to work on the laptop. So it's like it's a very very vicious circle जिसमें we are already there in, and there's no way to get out of it.
Maybe because I think we as doctors still have less work over the phone and laptop.
हाँ.
But what about the people? Like my husband is my husband is an MBA, so he has this everything on his laptop. So even during the lockdown or even currently, he had his work going on and on. And frequently started having these eye issues, and we had to take him to the eye specialist. And first thing he asked was, "How much time do you spend on your laptop?" And he was like, "Probably all the time that I'm awake, I'm spending it either on my phone and on my screen, because what to do?" He's like, he had so much work that time. Either he's on the phone chatting with somebody or on the laptop working on it. So I think we get to see patients physically and do so much of physical work. So virtually ours is still less as compared to people who work depends everything on online.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, for example, the people who are radiologists, the doctors who are radiologists, they have to spend time on the screen. I mean, उनका काम ही नहीं होने वाला बिना screen के. All the machines have screens, then the PC it's connected to have screens. Of course, our profession doesn't give us that much time to spend, but still we do take out time. Surprisingly, I don't know how. But I think they say what I do is I usually go on like a week of detox, and it's not like a detox. मतलब मैं पूरा phone अलग रख ही नहीं सकती हूँ. But what I'll do is I won't post anything. I won't make anything for my Instagram. I won't really think if I should be posting, or I won't see my numbers, you know, कितने number है, क्या है. I won't be seeing that. And I think that helps me a little bit to not engage myself, or सर दर्द करने लगता है एक टाइम के बाद कि you know what to do, because everybody is doing something, and then we also get a push कि you should be also doing something on that. So I think it has to be personalized, and agar we are not ready to, you know, like step back a little bit from our phones, I think it's not really possible.
That's so true. Plus, you brought up an interesting thing about notifications. So, what does notification has to do in all this? Like, why does notification on and then ting ting sound lead to addiction?
It's basically just like the classical conditioning that we studied about. And I think सबने स्कूल में पढ़ा ये. Everybody knows that there was this person who had an experiment with his dog. ठीक है, और डॉग था और एक बेल थी. एवरीबडी नोज दिस. आई मीन स्कूल में तो सबको पता है. सो दैट टाइम दैट डॉग्स नेचुरल स्टिमुलेंट और नेचुरल स्टिमुलस वाज हिज फूड, कि भूख तो लगेगी, खाना तो खाना ही है. बट फिर एक नई चीज इंट्रोड्यूस कर दी, बेल. उसको पहले नहीं पता था वो बेल क्या है, ठीक है. बट देन ही केम टू नो कि जितने बार ये बेल बजती ना, उतने बार मेरे को खाना मिल रहा है. देन ही स्टार्टेड टू सर्वाइव जब भी बेल बज रही थी. And then that stimulus became a conditioned stimulus. वैसे ही अपना notification, पहले we didn't have phones, so we had no problem ये ting ting अगर बज भी रहा है तो. But now जैसे ही वो ting बजता है, we know, somebody has liked my picture, somebody has sent me a message, and I have to read it, and I have to see what it is. क्या पता मेरे को कोई गंदी फोटो में टैग तो नहीं कर दिया, और you know कोई फालतू funny story, some drunk story or something very embarrassing about me has been posted, any random reason, and we open it and we check it. I mean, it's वो वहीं रहता है. एंड अभी तो ये स्मार्ट घड़ियां भी है, तो अगर नोटिफिकेशन फोन में नहीं पता चल रहा है तो या इस पे पता चल जाता है. So it's like horrible. मतलब it's very annoying as well, but you cannot keep it off as well, क्योंकि कुछ अगर important आ गया कभी तो फिर you'll miss it.
And especially I think during the residency time, I like don't remember कभी phone silent पे हो ही नहीं सकता, because you tend to get so many calls from the hospital as well, and even now I think I can't switch off my phone completely. But yes, for WhatsApp and Facebook, I have switched off the notifications, and I'm yet to do it for Instagram, which I have been pondering upon a lot. Because yes, you rightly said this classical conditioning thing, and what happens is that there's this time-space model that once you get a notification, so this is how you tend to become addicted to your phone or any social media. Sometimes you have these ghost vibrations, or you're like, "हाँ, मेरा phone बज रहा है," but it actually is not. So you have this like ting ting bell, and you see your phone and nothing happens, so you keep it back. But then after a particular duration of time, your phone will have a ring, and then you will pick it up and you will keep on scrolling endlessly. Then you keep it back. So this was what happened. Your brain still gets a reward, even if it didn't get it the first time. So your brain is seeking that reward again and again, and even if the phone is not doing its thing, you still go and see that if you think that you have missed that notification bell. So yes, I think switching off the notifications on whatever apps you can, that is somehow a very very healthy approach, because otherwise you sometimes it is shocking to see that I started on this much time, and my god, what happened? This is very commonly, these are memes that I just opened YouTube for seeing something interesting or something that I wanted to read about, and 5 hours later I'm watching cat videos, because it's like
Absolutely.
it's a spiral.
It's a loop. It's a loop. You just cannot get out of it. Me, I have successfully last week, I have, disabled my Instagram notification. That was like the last thing to do. WhatsApp के लिए बस, क्योंकि WhatsApp पे I think nowadays people don't, I mean I don't chat at least on WhatsApp. Chatting सब Instagram पे हो रही है आजकल. But WhatsApp is like वो कुछ हॉस्पिटल से कुछ रिपोर्ट्स आ रहे हैं, कुछ ये आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है. That वो WhatsApp का उतना यूज है सिर्फ अभी. So WhatsApp और अपना phone ringing छोड़ के बाकी all the notifications are off. So if I'm replying late to people and if you're watching it, मेरे notifications बंद है. Call करो.
I hop onto that train very soon. I'm hitching over that कि नहीं यार, Instagram पे तो वो ही ना, that loop. Okay, my video has reached so many views. Oh, and I have new comments, and then sometimes it's so bad that I have been like kind of pointed it out by people that I'm in the middle of a conversation and I get this notification and I just become happy. Like, what are you doing?
बहुत ही बुरा हो जाता है वो. It's very
day,
embarrassing as well. It's very embarrassing, and a lot of times it has happened. If you, I mean, relatives के यहाँ पे गई थी मैं, and like my in-laws की तरफ के relatives, and I had a notification. Phone तो बैग में था, पर घड़ी में आया, and मैं बार बार घड़ी देख रही हूँ, and I mean they were thinking कि यार इसको कहाँ जाना है? These are elders, they don't know कि ये सब स्मार्ट वॉच और क्या जरूरत भी क्या है स्मार्ट वॉच लेने की, and they're looking at my face कि they're like, बेटा जाना है क्या घर? And I'm like, WhatsApp notification वही देख रही हूँ.
It is so annoying because I was like, with the watch only now in the hospital, very frequently I started keeping it away because I'm like seeing time. I was taking pulse of the patient, and there's like, and the watch kept going off because there was continuous notifications. I had to keep it separately. No, I want a regular watch for my hospital hours. How am I going to do basic things if I'm just getting notifications and I can't see the watch, the basic purpose of a watch?
Absolutely. बस एक ही काम में आती है मेरी watch. That is to find my phone. That's all it does for me nowadays.
Oh my god, I haven't thought of it.
That is, अरे seriously, इतने बार I keep my phone somewhere and I forget it. Then घड़ी, where is my phone?
I'll do it now because I keep losing my phone. Whenever I'm seeing it, I keep it there, and then I'm asking everybody, can you call me? I can't find my phone. Sometimes it's in the almirah. I keep on keeping it everywhere around the house. And just like,
हाँ, मतलब
why you
coming
losing
back
your phone
from
that much?
Yeah, coming back from work, changing your clothes, रख दिया वहाँ पे, फिर घर भर में ढूंढो कहाँ गया. ये last night हुआ honestly मेरे साथ. I was finding my phone everywhere. I had to sit down for my dinner. Dinner करने के पहले I was finding my phone. कि पहले मेरे को phone मिले, फिर मैं शांति से खाना खाऊंगी. So yes, I am also addicted to my phone. and it's a very vicious circle to get out of it.
So let's share some things for ourselves and for others also. Like, how can we get out this infinite loop that we have entered? First thing that we decided was like notifications, so that you exit the loop of that classical conditioning and repeated hearing that bell. What else we can do? Because I've heard many people say, and they've tried this detox thing also, where they completely leave their phones. People who can, obviously, whose work, life, and business, and other people's life is not dependent on their phone. They try
Absolutely.
to do that like 1 week detox and maybe sometimes disabling particular apps for 1 week duration. So, what more
That's a really
suggestions
good
do you have?
good tip.
Because
Uh,
I think instead of only like mental addiction, it's so harmful to the eyes, to your neck, because you're continuously working like this. That people having these new complaints these days. I was reading about this iPad thumbs and iPad wrists.
Wrist,
Because
yeah.
of these movements, these joints start aching, and that is, I think, waking up call for you. Like, am I using it so much that my body is sending out signals that something somewhere is wrong?
Absolutely. I mean, I saw a picture a few days ago. It was a meme. Ki the way we have developed over the period of years, like our facial things have been changed, the forehead has changed, and everything. So in a couple of years, because of this mobile addiction, the neck area will actually reduce because we are constantly like this. It was a meme, and I think maybe it can be true some days because we're constantly like this. And it's not, I mean, there have been people who say ki book padhne ke liye bhi to you have to do the same thing, but book we usually read like this, right? We never read a book like this. दिखेगा ही नहीं अच्छे से कुछ भी. Yeah, and coming back on the things कि क्या कर सकते हैं, yeah, notification तो definitely, and the second point that you said कि deleting a few apps is really good. What I have also tried is keeping the phone away for at least half an hour, and especially when I'm reading, so I can concentrate for like 25 to 30 minutes on what I'm reading. That's also good for your focus. Plus, you do not use your phone for those 25 minutes, and you have the liberty to use your phone for the next 5 or 10 minutes if you want to. But वो 5 और 10 मिनट ही होना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए. That you have to make sure. And you can keep it in another room or something like that.
So that
And
is very, very important. I think people who are, especially children who are studying, giving their boards, giving their entrance exams, it is very helpful. I tried it during my time that whenever I'm studying, my phone will be there on silent or switched off and kept in a separate room or like away from me, so that I have to physically get up and reach it. So half of the times it'll be like, छोड़ो ना उठ के जाना पड़ेगा तो नहीं use करते हैं. So
yes,
very, very important. Children, especially who are studying right now, you have their exams or a test coming up. Try and keep your phone separate for a particular duration of time, because it will help you focus. Otherwise, all your mind is like you're reading a book here and your eyes are going towards your mobile phone. The screen is flashing.
I remember when I had given my boards 10th and 12th. उस time पे we didn't have apps. ठीक है, I gave my 10th in 2010 and 12th in 2012. तो उस टाइम पे it was only websites and Facebook was the only thing. Orkut भी था तभी and Facebook भी था. So what I used to do is I used to deactivate it for like a month. एग्जाम के पहले when like seriously you have to sit down and study, तभी उतने टाइम के लिए I used to deactivate it, and everybody in school used to deactivate. तो कोई इतना मेजर लोड नहीं
बात
आता था
कौन
कि यार, हाँ मतलब फोमो नहीं होता था किसी को कि you'll miss out on something what is happening on the internet. And that really worked very well. And कुछ apps अगर उड़ा दिए तो that will be really very good.
And in my time, I think we didn't even have digital phones. we had these smaller phones. I gave in 2007 and 9. So in 7, they were forget about these fancy phones. We had this very small phone only used for dialing, and they used to have this cost per message and per calls. Even for receiving, there was
Yes.
cost at one particular point of
one
time.
rupee per message per SMS, and that couldn't exceed for 100 alphabets, I
Per day.
think, in that text. नहीं तो
So
2 रुपए
yes,
लग
now
जाते थे.
with internet, so Wi-Fi पे हो रहा है. So everything is free. Go on, keep on messaging and keep on using social media. No. Yeah, secondly, yeah, we discussed posture. So yes, corrective postures like your shoulders need to be back, your back needs to be straight. You don't need to slouch again and again, because physically also it's showing a lot of complaints. What more
I mean,
we
good
can do?
posture is, I mean, good posture really helps your overall mental health as well and physical health as well. You feel more confident if you have a good posture. what else? And if it's really, I think, bad, when people come, we give them the same kind of treatment to a person we are trying to get de-addicted. So that's like the last resort, I think, if you're really that much addicted to a device, or, and I don't think that they should really come for you to go and seek medication for social media use. I mean, that's really pathetic if you're going there. And I think the best way to use social media is to earn money out of it. If you're spending so much time on social media, you should be earning out of it. या तो मत करो तुम. बहुत लोग हैं जो कर रहे हैं. नहीं, there are
That's
so
so true.
many people.
Sometimes this thing comes to my mind that so much for what? Probably nothing.
No, someday it will come definitely. Like you are working, your page is specifically for awareness. So you are dealing with awareness. You are telling people about the medical facts. You're telling people about mental health, and you're telling people about brain health. Our strategy is completely different on social media. You are not passing your time by posting just your pretty pictures and that मैंने ये खाया और मैंने ये पहना, outfit of the day and all that. Even if you're doing that, you're also doing something very very meaningful for the society. नहीं तो किसको जरूरत है ये सब बताने की? I mean, why do I have to sit down, wreck my brain to tell you? I mean, not you, but the people who are watching, something which I've studied from the book for 10 hours. मैं एक 15 सेकंड में तुमको वो बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So I think utilizing it properly, utilizing it in a meaningful way, which actually gives you a better impact. I mean, kahin na kahin, जैसे there's so many people who have got famous on because of social media. So utilizing that properly, doing some online courses, कुछ तो भी करके मतलब you just don't feel पूरा time guilty of using your phone. Doing something productive out of it.
So I think obviously with the coming era and going forward, social media and anything on the internet with screens is going to be part of our lives more and more, and we have to try to live with it somehow. That taking care of mental, physical health as well as being tech friendly, because I think in future or coming days, everything eventually will be digitalized, and we have to live with it somehow. So take care of your eyes, take off your posture, and switching off notification and keeping a check on your screen time, because eventually eyes और भी काम के लिए बहुत necessary है, तो उसका भी
ब्लू,
बहुत
क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ब्लू रे
yeah, I know
lenses.
it. Something that avoids glare, and you can get it for screen especially.
Basically, it avoids, I mean, the UV radiations, UV rays coming from your screen, the blue light basically. So the blue light is specifically bad for the eyes. So we get these glasses nowadays, and they are cheap. मतलब I have made with my prescription thing, तो कोई problem नहीं है, and it actually gives a very soothing effect. Plus, I make digital notes nowadays because it's very easy to carry. I just take my tab everywhere. सारे notes मेरे पास है, so it's very convenient. Plus, I'm
I
not
remember in
wasting paper.
residency, I think people have now started doing this. So I think in first year we were carrying books or notes,
हाँ,
and by second and third year, eventually everybody was having an iPad. You're writing it down there,
absolutely.
plus you have a book to refer to very easily, and those pen things come, and you're like, okay, read this at night, done.
Very convenient. I mean, I have lost my notes, जो अपने पेपर वाले notes है. Sometimes I forget that I have notes. अभी कुछ पुरानी books में ये कब पढ़ा था? These things happen. With tab में it's so easy. You just search it. कि ठीक है, ये topic है क्या? देख लो एक बार. And it just pops up. So it's very convenient. And कैसे, मैं क्या बताऊँ अभी? मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ कि use करो, और मैं बोल रही हूँ कि तुम screen time कम करो अपना. I mean, don't get addicted to
Going to
social
find
media.
a midway, because we
Yeah,
have to live with these things. So somewhere when you feel that it's starting affecting you, your social, personal, emotional, physical life, so keep and check on it so that we have a smooth sailing from here on. Because eventually और आगे जाके और चीजें tech friendly हो जाएंगी. अभी मेरे ख्याल से I've seen these refrigerators also coming with screens, proper screens. So imagine अब आगे washing machine, मतलब कितनी चीजों पे अगर screens बढ़ जाएंगे, तो सारा काम ही अगर इस पे होने वाला है, तो maybe in the future we don't know about it. And any ophthalmologist seeing the video, please drop down so we can discuss with you further the effects of social media on your eyes. So, thank you so much, so much. It was lovely talking to you, and you are such
same here.
amazing takes on such simple things. We'll do more of these. We'll come up with interesting
Absolutely.
topics. People who want
Absolutely.
to discuss more things with us, you can send them in the comment section below and we'll take up some other topic and discuss them here again.
Absolutely. It was really fun talking to you.
Thank you so much. And we'll see
Shall.
each other very, very soon.
Absolutely, absolutely. Very, very soon.
Yeah, very good evening and happy Holi. Try and enjoy tomorrow.
I think there are few comments over here. I'll just
Arika.
go through them to see
Okay.
if there are any questions.
Okay. Okay. Somebody's asked about porn addiction. Topic for another day. It's
Absolutely.
very important and it is so prevalent. Okay. Shrishti wants to ask about can we be addicted to a person?
Obviously, obviously, we are. The addiction is something which is we have been living with it. We don't know कि we are addicted to it. बट वही है ना, अगर वो तुम्हारे को कुछ खराबी दे रहा है तभी प्रॉब्लम है. मतलब इफ द पर्सन इज अब्यूजिव टू यू, talking badly to you, and still you are going to them, that means that you're addicted to them. Again, I think a topic for an entire session.
We'll take up some of
Addiction.
more of these topics and try to answer them in detail for you. So stay tuned for more videos that are coming up here on the channel.
Absolutely. Happy Holi to all, and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.